Welcome back. Before we start building stuff, this is going to be a quarter pipe, 3 foot, and then way over there we have a little bank. So we're going to form it up today and pour on Saturday.
Part of the problem, Pocket, is if you look at the slab, there's a curve right there too.
All right, I forgot to film the whole time. We were gonna have it more narrow for the rebar coping, but now we wanted it wider. It'll be hand poured coping. And next up, we're gonna do a retaining wall out of cinder block for the back.
Oh, I love.
Isn't that right, Gavin?
Yeah, Gavin. Remember when you stacked it all there?
Yeah.
Now you get to do it again.
Try that. That looks actually a lot more level. You're pretty good. You just need to.
Dude, this is just the
Dude, you're pretty good.
Oh my god. Well, actually, just throw a block on and then we can just level it.
Dude, that's pretty damn good.
That's pretty fun.
Gavin, do you know how tall this ramp is?
I think it's 3 foot with 7 foot. No, we did 6 foot radius.
Like it's still as me.
Let's see. Damn, it's only 3 foot. It looks bigger right now.
I know, it looks huge.
Because the drop off.
Yeah.
We have cinder block up until here, but we have no more cinder block for now.
Yes.
So that will be it for today.
Oh yeah, good rocks, good rocks.
Quick intro before I get there. I'm running late. Got my trowels. I just hope they haven't started concrete yet. But we will be pulling up in a minute. Yo!
Oh, Joe. Good to see you.
I'm late, but not too late.
Can't play music.
I get a splash of water.
That was real quick.
It does.
Yeah. And like, just make sure you hold it horizontal. This is not radius. The radius would be nice. Never brought any board up, did we?
Whoa. Hey. It's a few days later. We are back. And this thing is finished. I think my friend Gavin made some rocks over here. I think Stiggs and Eric did the coping. That's what I hear. It's almost like noping. Very mellow, flat on top. It was just grouted. I think we're gonna pour a little more for the back. But this thing is nice and mellow. You have this little bank right here, and then pour it down here. So cruise down the bank. It's like a little mini ramp. Good little side view. Real mellow. Gavin, good job on the rocks. Eric and Stiggs, good job on the cooking. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.